I'm here talking today about the Realtime suite of software, including Realtime Landscape Architecture and Realtime Landscape Photo. These softwares are, in my opinion, the most intuitive and immersive softwares that I have worked with up to this point. These programs give the ability of the user not only to see a simple rendering of the landscape, but also to become immersed in the design, allowing for a deeper connection into the virtual space. Real-time landscape architecture is a very unique software when comparing it to both Dynascapes and AutoCAD. This software is very focused on the specific aspects of the landscape. While AutoCAD and Dynascapes have dedicated drawing tools like a line and a rectangle tool, Real-Time Landscape Architecture used object-specific tools for different aspects such as the house, patio, or site amenities. These tools were very focused and were extremely useful in their own situations, such as altering the material, the elevation, or roof style of the building that you are creating. Real-Time Landscape Architecture is a 3D modeling software along with a 2D modeling software like AutoCAD and Dynascapes. The main functions of this software are the plan, perspective, and walkthrough modes. The plan mode is similar to what we have been using in AutoCAD and Dynascapes, but the perspective and walkthrough tabs create a 3D experience for your landscape. The Perspective tab still allows you to edit your design, which is very useful in perfecting the building design, the elevation, and some of the unique 3D functions. The Walkthrough function is the part of the software that allows you to create a hands-free experience of moving through the space, which is useful when presenting the space to a prospective client. Like AutoCAD and Dynascapes, I started out by importing a plan to work from, which is then scaled 1:1 using a known length such as the width of a door. The Layers tool in Realtime is also similar to the Layers tool in AutoCAD and Dynascapes, allowing you to organize different aspects of the design. Much like AutoCAD, Realtime requires you to manually create each layer individually to organize your design elements. In Realtime, there is a library of unique plants and 3D accessories such as cars, tables, chairs, and fireplaces that you can add into your design. These 3D object tools not only allow you to add objects from an extensive library, but will also allow you to change the materials of the object, allowing you to match the design style between different objects in your landscape. Adding unique plants from a vast library will create an accurate view of the space, while also allowing you to change the age of the plants and allowing you to see different properties of the plants, such as the mature age and the planting zones appropriate for the plants. When exporting a final design, you'll want to have a plant label that can identify and locate different plants within the design. AutoCAD, Dynascapes, and Real-Time Landscape Architect have unique systems for this. AutoCAD is a non-industry specific software, meaning that you will have to manually label and manually enter plants into a self-made plant list. In Dynascapes, you can add generic plant labels, which can then be identified manually. Then you would have to go and manually enter these plants into the plant labeling tool. But in Realtime, the program will auto-generate a plant list because it knows what plants you have chosen and how many are present in the landscape. This feature saves time and is a very useful function. Real-Time Landscape Photo is a program that is included in the landscape architecture software that can be used to a designer's advantage. This specialized photo editing software can allow you to show some basic landscaping ideas based on an in-person photo of an existing landscape. This would be a very useful tool when showing a client some basic ideas without spending the time rendering a full 3D mockup. Because of all of these features, I would opt to use this software as a landscape contractor over AutoCAD and Dynascapes. Thank you.